Ready to turn your creative designs into cold, hard cash but stuck choosing between Shopify and Etsy? Let's break down which platform is the print-on-demand champion in just 90 seconds. First up, Shopify. Think of it as building your own online empire. You have full control over your brand, website design, and customer experience. Perfect for establishing a unique identity, Shopify really shines with its app integrations. Seamlessly connect to print-on-demand services like Printful, Printify, or Gelato to automate everything from order fulfillment to shipping. But remember, empires come at a cost. Shopify requires a monthly subscription, plus transaction fees, and app costs can add up. Basic plans start around $39 a month. Now, let's talk Etsy. It's a bustling marketplace with millions of potential customers already searching for unique, handcrafted items, and that gives print-on-demand a very large audience. Setting up shop on Etsy is relatively straightforward, and you will tap into their existing customer base, making it easier to get your products seen and gain initial sales. However, Etsy charges listing fees, transaction fees, and payment processing fees. You are also subject to Etsy's rules and branding, which can limit your control. So, which is right for you? Shopify offers maximum brand control and scalability, but demands more investment. Etsy provides easy access to a large audience with lower upfront costs, but sacrifices some control. Consider your budget, brand aspirations, and how much control you want. Now, tell us in the comments, are you Team Shopify or Team Etsy?